everyone!
Oh my god. This is Crescent Moon with Rycor and Call and Draco Rolf to my left. And, this is a two-part series game. It's called I Miss You. It is, it's supposed to be a horror style, you know, kind of reliving the whole horror house thing. I'm sort of losing my voice a little, but, you know, it's whatever. It's a two-part series. There's this, excuse me, what? Oh my god. Anyway, damn it, I lost my train of thought now because of you.
It's okay.
Well, anyway, it's a two-part thing. There's this one and then a second one, so we're gonna get on for 100% gameplay. Please use headphones. Hey, can I get you to turn the light off? Can I get you to turn the lights off, or would you not be able to play your Skyrim?
I don't need lights. I have
I see you back there, the wacko.
Yeah, he's a... Yeah, they will. It's called computer screen.
It's called the light from a magical dildo.
Alright, can you still see me, Rycor?
Yes, I see you fine.
Okay. So, I'm not using headphones, because if I did, then no one else would be able to hear the thing. Let me flash. Okay, here we go. Oh my lord. In March 22nd, 1996, in Texas, USA, a young lady named Maya found hanged in her house. The young lady have committed suicide. Okay, you need to use grammar, man. Have committed suicide after 2 days from her husband's death in a car accident. The young couple had been married since 2 months, and they were happy, as people said. Until this time, people say they hear screams and laughs coming from the house, but nobody dare go in there. Most of the people hear a young voice with the words, I miss you. Enter.
Sounds like a child. That was 1 year before I was born, too.
Right. Okay, so, in 96, oh my lord, I was 15 in 1999.
So take 3 years from that.
I was like 13. 12 or 13 years old. Jesus.
It was about 12 or 11, something like that.
Yeah. Okay, now, I had to turn the lights out because I got thinking about something. I'm a chicken shit. I don't usually, you know... It's darker for y'all than it is for me. I can look around and I can still see, sort of.
Take your glasses off and say that.
Oh, look at this. The picture moves.
Hmm?
The picture moves. Watch. That's me not having my mouse on it. I'll put my mouse on it. It's like it moves. They're dancing. Alright, anyway. Look.
She's going in and out of the picture real fast.
Oh, God.
Hey, you was moving your mouse real fast.
Bring back the dead.
Why the hell would I want to bring back the dead?
Well, I mean, think about it. You know, she's going to want to... Can't believe he is dead. How could he leave me like this?
Wussy!
I am not. Shut up.
You are too. I seen that and it didn't scare me. It didn't even faze me. Like, oh, jump scare. Hello. Was that laughter on your game or on his?
That was from my game.
Okay then. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh.
Okay.
Somebody's playing with the That's exactly what I said. Wait for it.
Okay, I know that's a living room. How do we, like, not be in the living room?
She's chicken, she wants to leave.
Well, no, I want to actually explore the rest of the fucking house.
Click, 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 click.
Now it lets me leave.
A bathroom. half again.
Okay, we are going to turn the game noise down just a little.
Yes, please do.
All I see is a bigger than life picture of Riker going, "Ah, fuck," with the scream. No, due to how loud it was.
Oh.
Excuse you?
I said, ah!
Oh, I thought that was from the game. I was like, what the hell?
Oh, I'm sorry. They're over there in the shack going,
Hey, family, you know. Come on now. Oh, I see you?
I look at it this way. If they can't handle that, then they can't handle the frickin' language we've been using.
True, but as much as I am trying to not, I fail miserably at not cussing, but I'm, you know.
Yeah, you fail miserably.
Can I leave yet?
No.
I'm sort of bored. Spam flush toilet.
You're gonna make it overflow. And you will drown in the toilet water.
So this is the unfortunate part where these hunt and pick, you know, with the flash games, is that you have to just keep clicking around until...
Try clicking the left side of your screen.
Yeah, I got nothing.
Mm.
Here, I'll move us out of the shot a little bit here.
I'm sorry, I just have to say this. Every time you do that, it sounds like somebody's peeing.
First thing I thought of was someone
It's the magical creeper. Do you like flushing that thing?
Well, it's the only things that there are to click in here. I mean, I'm clicking on, like, bathroom. Nothing's happening. I'm clicking to get out. Nothing's happening there. Hey there! Oh, here we go.
That did a lot of good.
Sorry, that actually scared me. That was somebody messaging me on Facebook. Let you know, if you guys want to message me, it's dragontiger@yahoo.com. It's my Facebook, Crescent Moon. Well, I clicked somewhere over here. Excuse you.
Sorry.
Damn it, where did that pan? I saw something.
You got flushed down the toilet.
Clicked it right over here somewhere.
Excuse me.
I can't do nothing with the bathtub. I think that's what's, like, it's waiting on me to do something with the bathtub. I can't do nothing with our bathtub.
Your magical lover wants you to come into the bathtub.
Well, this is actually getting fairly boring. Alright, we'll be right back, y'all. I unfortunately have to answer this. Okay, we're back. Back to flushing the toilet and turning on the sink.
Boring. Again, boring.
Spam click. Spam clicking.
Are you saying spam clicking or something else?
What do you think I'm saying? I'm saying spam clicking, but you know, it's whatever.
What did you think I thought that you were saying?
I don't know.
Spam pudding.
No.
Far from what I was thinking, but okay.
So like anything, you know, I know why they do this. Is people go, well, what the hell else is there? Lean in and
Yeah.
you know.
Just like
Yeah. Yep, just like you're doing.
Okay, there's
And
the
everybody
note.
can see for it.
oh, so
Back up. Back up.
Oh, trust me, I'm already backed up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Damn.
No, it's fixing to happen pretty soon here.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. There it is. There it is.
Oh, this is some freaking like.
Light on, light off. Light on, light off.
Oh shit.
it's all
You broke it. Uh-oh.
I won't be messing with those anytime soon.
Dun, 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 dun. Did it, 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 did it.
With the same jump scare, really?
Do what?
With the same damn jump scare. Oh my god. Alright. Alright, that's how you want to play it. Let's play this. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna pause here, so I'm gonna find the second one, and we're just gonna add that to the video, because that was kind of short.
Yep.
So, we'll be right
We'll
back.
be back.
And we're back. Okay. So, this is supposed to be I Miss You Too. Now, I decided, like I just said a minute ago, or a second ago, or for y'all it was like, wow. Anyway, yeah, moving on, because that, 12 minutes, not long enough. So, here we go, starting game. Okay, this time, in September 2nd, 1992, USA, Florida. A family found dead in their house, all of them shot in the head in their beds. The family had 2 sons, Noah and Alex. No one knows what really happened. Some people say the mother was demonic. No one dare go there. Do you?
Yes.
hell yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Door is locked.
Kick it in.
Okay.
Alright. Yep. Kicked it in.
Nobody move!
Oh, not that again.
Come on, do it. Do it. Come on.
Red crack down the wall?
Red.
No, I kind of clicked too fast on the thing.
And?
I missed something. Hang on, guys. Okay, now that I'm not clicking like a derp. Oh, it was a family photo. The 2 sons, the mom and the dad.
A man. And the dad. Boop. Who's all dead now? Light on. Light off. Light on. Light off.
Lights off.
I love lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. Uh-oh. Lights on. Lights off. I love playing that game. I dare you to click something.
That's what I'm trying to do. That's why the mom went demonic, the kids kept flipping the light switch. This is a note for y'all kids out there. You do this. Oh, that was a face in the window. That's a face.
Yeah.
Okay, as I was saying, for y'all kids out there, those of you that do this shit, expect your parents to become demonic.
There's another face.
I know. What the hell?
Keep clicking on the light.
It's the mother telling you to stop. it.
Stop it, you little brat! I'm sorry, that's something I would do. Stop it, you little brat! Click, 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 click. What was that?
Okay.
I think you pissed the mom off. Yep, you pissed her off. That or something else is going on.
No, because she's wandering from one end of the screen to the other.
Was.
Keep clicking it.
I am not a role model for children. Anyway.
The hell she's not.
Note to self, don't do this to your parents, okay?
I know the parents are sitting there like, geez, thanks.
What?
I thought that might have been the light from your screen lighting up the back of the house, back of the room, but I'm like, wait, what? There's some light here.
Oh. Preston got scared. On off, on off, on off, on off, on off.
Okay, there's the red crack. Oh shit.
Uh-oh. Oh hell. You're on your own, I'm back.
Oh yeah, she broke
Hello.
her leg.
That was the kid.
She had pretty eyes.
It was a boy.
He had pretty eyes.
That was the proverbial stop it.
Yeah, you know it's bad when even the kid starts getting on you about it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Like, dumbass, that's why she killed us.
I don't know what is...
I don't know what is, but I can feel it.
It's a Chinaman, honey. Sorry. Alright.
Or it's Frederick.
Hey, be nice.
Even worse.
Even worse, it's a Draco.
No offense to any of the possible
Orientals.
Orientals males that I will have as subscribers.
It's just a running joke.
Yeah, please don't get pissed at us.
Okay, the note fell
Yes.
off the fridge.
Because yeah, y'all are cool, so. Okay.
Die.
You're gonna end up blowing yourself up. I'm waiting for the whole screen to just go.
Right. Oh, I can make water run. Hey, there's a coffee pot right there. I ain't laughing. Give me coffee.
Do it faster. 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 Faster.
That's as fast as I can
Use my hand!
click. I can't, or I won't say. I don't think I'll be able to do that. Nope, it moves.
I did it for a second.
Can't do nothing else though. No, I grabbed a hold of her tail, but she left fur.
Oh. You bit the cat's tail.
No, I didn't bite her tail. I grabbed her tail.
It looked like you bit it.
No, I did not bite her tail.
Mm-hmm. Faster. 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 Faster.
You know, there's actually a game out there that you have to click like this, or you lose.
Yeah, screw that.
Can we do something, please?
Try clicking on the refrigerator
I
handle.
did.
Oh.
Not a good babysitter. No,
Trust me.
He's fine.
Yeah. He's cool. For now. Yeah, that or until the kid annoys him and then he'll tie him to a tree.
No.
Yeah, he will. He told me he will. Oh my god.
Uh-oh. That was a something.
Yes, it was. It looked like he fell into the sink. I think
What
you found the mom.
woman?
I think you found the mom. Hello, Your Majesty.
Click on your face. Extra, another bathroom?
Now that was cool.
You will die.
If you're gonna do it right. You will die.
Alright, read it again.
You will die.
See, this is why I have him in here, guys. Oh, mush. No, I won't stop.
Did it actually say stop?
No, a hand came up one like this.
Oh.
I know, I'm like, excuse you?
Hello, Mr. Creepyface.
Right? I can't sleep. Help me. I feel it. It's under the bed.
What is there, Play Magazine?
Hello, running person. Oh, die.
Die.
Hang on.
The fuck? The hell?
End of messages.
Did that just say bingo fantastico?
No, end of final messages. The same voice recording thing I have on my personal phone.
Oh.
Of messages.
Well, the values were scratched out. Oh my god, my palms are all sweaty now. Well, I would say I'm surprised they're not hairy, but then I remember you don't do that and stuff.
Wait, what? Oh.
Hello, you look interesting. What's this? Run.
Yes, you do.
I would run if I could.
Run, boys, run. Huh?
Yeah, I would love to. Haha! What? Picture was on the way. Nee. Didn't scare me, asshole. Anyway. Oh my god, man.
More.
You just had a heart attack with this damn thing.
You have a heart attack with any game that you play.
Do what?
You have a heart attack with any game that you play.
Meh. But, that's why I play these things, get the shit scared out of me. And then I end up not being able to sleep the same night, so, hey.
Maybe you need to check your pants then.
No, I'm wearing pants.
No. You said this is why I play them to scare the shit out of me. That's why I said you need to check your pants then.
Oh, no, my pants are fine. Shit has officially not been scared out. My breath has been scared out of me to where my chest hurts. No, I haven't drank enough water for that yet.
Oh my god. I was gonna say, did you say your breath was scared out of you, or your breast was scared out of you?
My breath.
Okay, I'm sorry.
TH, not ST.
Okay, I'm sorry. I have to say one thing.
What?
Any kids watching this, I know you're not going to anyway, but cover your ears. I could just magically see that happening one day, that brush jump off a lady's chest and go, gone.
Right? Alright guys, this has been the second of I Miss You. Hopefully they'll come up with another one, because honestly that was pretty fun. Again, any children out there, don't be flicking the lights on and off. It does actually waste electricity and all that crap like your parents say. And eventually you'll see your mom go from, or your dad, go from this perfectly lovable person to this demon that wants to fucking kill you.
Wait a minute. You will see them go from this to I want to rip your head off.
Pretty much. So, if you want to see it and get yourself grounded, or your butt busted or whatever, or killed, have at it, but I wouldn't suggest it. Anyway, this has been Aggressive Moon with Rycor and Draco Wolf. We're signing off.
Goodbye.
Bye, y'all.